This one is all about glowing skin, golden shimmer on the eyes, soft brown dip, and a bold red lip. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating another festive makeup look for Onam. I have already applied the moisturizer from Cetaphil. Then I am using a primer from Recode. This will blur out the pores and give me a smooth surface for foundation. Next, I corrected my pigmentation around the mouth area using the Mars color corrector. A little goes a long way and it really helps the foundation look flawless. Then I'm using a concealer of my shade from Maybelline to cover up the dark area and even out my complexion. Then I'm using a foundation from Maybelline. It's a medium to buildable coverage, perfect for festive occasion without feeling heavy. To highlight the under eye, I have used a concealer from Morphe. It will really brighten up your under eye area. Once blended, I have set everything with a K-Beauty loose powder. It controls the shine and keep the base in place, especially for long celebration. For a healthy flush, I have applied a blush from IMAGIC. And of course, no festive look is complete without glow. So I have added IMAGIC highlighter to the high points of my face. Now to add some definition, I lightly bronzed my nose using Forever 52 bronzer. A little warm on the nose make the face look more structured and balanced. Moving on to the eyes, the star of this look, I use the Sheglam palette. Started with a light brown shade on the crease to create a soft transition. Blending a lighter shade first always helps the deeper color melt in. Next, I deepening the outer corners with a dark brown shade. This step add depth and create that lifted, slightly smoky effect. For the main pop of Festive Glam, I have applied a golden shimmer on the inner corner and the middle part of the eyelids. First, apply on the middle of the eyelids, whatever left, apply on the inner corner. Then, to add definition, I went in with a deeper brown shade along the upper lash line, almost like a soft eyeliner. This creates fullness near the lashes without looking too harsh. For lash line, I used the same light brown shade to balance the look. And then I tightlined both the upper lash line and the lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. This gives the eyes intensity and makes the lashes appear fuller. To finish, I have applied kajal in the waterline from K-Beauty. Treated the eye with mascara for length and volume. I'm using mascara from Maybelline. For the brows, I use Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pencil. I softly fill them in, keeping the shape natural but defined. The lips, I wanted to go bold and festive. In my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Hot Red. Then I have applied MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo, the classic perfect festive red that complements the golden brown eyes beautifully. It's truly bring the whole look together. And here's the final look. This look is elegant, traditional and just right for Onam celebration. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more festive for everyday makeup look. Wishing everyone a heartfelt happy Onam.